Hey, we're back in Video Star '07 Garage with the 4th Gen Camaro. This is my 2002 Z28, and it's a little follow-up to the power steering pump alternator install. And if you're contemplating doing one of these, hopefully this will help you out a little bit. First thing I want to point out here is the power steering cooler thing, when I was talking about in the first video. You need to take this out of the way. I mean, technically you could remove the hose here and pull it up out of your way, but man, it's just so much easier to just get it out of your way like I did. This plastic piece that they've got here, I wanted to point out that you don't have to bust that off. You can just take and twist it, and it's got like a triangle shaped thing that sticks through the, and you just pop it out of there, and you can put it back in when you get done, and it just looks so much nicer, doesn't it? There's a I'm going to point out that they wanted you to put a filter in line with the return hose, and your return hose comes off the bottom of the reservoir. Just cut your hose, stick your filter in there. There's several different ones on the market there. I think this is a 5/8 inch hose. Point out that the board head alternator, now you got to work on that from underneath. There just isn't room. There's barely room to shove that thing up into position up there. You got to twist and turn it. Be ready to have a lot of patience on that. They don't make it easy for you. Don't forget your little bolt. There's a little 10mm bolt in the back side of the alternator, as well as your two big ones out front there. And that's a 13mm, and then you got your 13mm for your lug for your battery cable. All right. Anyway, just like I say, a little follow up there to the install. If you got any questions, comments, feel free, leave me a question, a comment, like, subscribe if you like what you see, and we'll be back with some more videos on the 4th Gen Camaro soon. Thanks for looking in.